Are you able to see board actually? Jamboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One minute. See, last class what we started, Lagrange's multipliers. Correct or not? So what problem we done? Any problem we done using Lagrange's multipliers?
Yes, sir. Three problems we have solved, sir. Last problem, largest rectangular solid,
Uh,
ellipsoid.
Ellipsoid is a cuboid. Correct? Then one problem may be 1 by x square, 1 by condition is what? 1 by x plus 1 by y something we done one condition. Another condition is what? X square plus y square something we done. Okay. Last problem is ellipsoid. Prove that inscribed rectangular solid inscribed in a ellipsoid is a maximum volume of correct is a cuboid. That is what not cuboid. Rectangular solid volume I have to find out. What we got actually 2 root 3 of a x y z I think so. ABC. Correct? Volume.
Volume 8 ABC by 3 root 3.
3 root 3. Then you can take, there also you can take, that is one, in that problem, what is the important, you can take it 2x, 2y, 2z, you can take length, breadth, width. Correct? Don't take xyz because origin is center, from there you can take 2x is length, 2y is width, 2z. Correct? So volume is 8xyz. That is very, very important in that problem. Okay? We do another problem. Door close பண்ணலாம். Take problem. A rectangular box. Take down first problem. Rectangular box. Open at the top. Open at the top. Is to have volume of 32 cubic centimeters. Find the dimension of the box. Dimensions of the box. That requires the least material. Okay. Now, from this what I understanding, a rectangular box open at the top is to have a volume of 32 cubic centimeter. Find the dimension of the box that requires the least material. So you can prepare the box such that you can take least material. So how you write? Now what is the condition? What you have to find least material means what? From finding the material, what formula you will use? What thing? The surface area or volume?
Surface.
Surface area. So you want to get minimum surface area, provided that volume should be always what? 32 cubic centimeter. Correct or not? Now, who is F? Now, who is given condition? Now, rectangular box open means what? Let length is X, breadth is Y, LB length, breadth, height you can take X, Y, Z. Okay, each side you can take. Size of this side is what? Let the size of sides are what? X, Y, Z. Okay. Sides are you can take X, Y, Z. Three sides. Length, breadth, height, whatever maybe. Now volume is equal to what? Given volume. So condition is what? Volume. So G is equal to what? X, Y, Z is equal to 32 is given. Now function is what? To find the least material. Surface area. Now what is the surface area of X? Suppose length is X, breadth is Y, height is H means what? Box of X, Y, Z box. Surface area what you will get? Tell me. Rectangular box. What you will get? Surface area of the rectangular box are solid box. This side parallel to that side, both are same. Up and down side. This left side is equal to right side, same area. So how you will get? Surface area, what you will get? Are you there or not? Surface area of solid.
Cube, sir.
Huh?
A cube,
to
sir.
length
A
to
cube is
width
volume
into
actually. Three sides are same means volume is A cube. Now actually length, breadth by X, Z given X, Y, Z they given actually. X, Y, Z they are given. So using this X, Y, Z, one side is X, one side is Y, one side is Z. From this you can tell how you will get.
2 into xy
Very
plus
good.
yz plus zx.
Very good. So 2x plus 2yz plus 2zx. But here condition is what? Another condition is there. Box of it is said there actually.
open the top.
So means what you will get? Everywhere 2 you will get.
No, sir.
Then volume what you will get? Right? So this is open actually. Suppose this is xy, this surface area one side only you will get. So surface area what you will get actually? Xy plus 2yz. This and this you can add. This and this you can add. This surface and this surface. So surface area what you will tell me what is surface area? Can I write xy plus 2yz plus 2zx? Are you agree? Because one side is open. Now volume is what? Volume is what? Given or not?
Yes, sir.
X.
32.
XYZ, sir.
Equal to 32. Now, who is F? Who is G? I want to find this is surface area, least surface area. So this is F. This is condition. Now, who is F? Tell me. F is equal to what?
F is equal to XY
Plus. Very good.
plus Y plus
2y.
2YZ plus 2ZX.
Oh, 2 is there. Sorry. 2 I will write here. 2ZX. Okay. G is what?
XY is equal to 30.
XYZ, sir.
XYZ. Just XYZ.
XYZ minus 32.
Very good. That is important. Now, auxiliary function is what? How you will write? Capital F is equal to, sorry, 1 minute. Capital F is equal to, how can you write? Small f plus lambda g. Correct? Any problem? Copy down fast. So, reading the problem, you can prepare now who is the F, who is the G. Then capital is equal to F plus LG. Okay. Hello. Sir, சொல்லுங்க. Class இருக்கா? Classல. 9:45 10:30 class. வர. Okay. Correct, sir? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Now, copy this.
No problem.
Now you can form actually capital F is equal to F plus lambda G. You can form now. Come on. Who is F? XY plus 2YZ plus 2ZX plus lambda into what you will get? XYZ minus 32. Correct, sir? But condition is what? Multipliers what? Dou F by dou X is equal to 0 implies what I will get? Dou F by dou X plus lambda into dou G by dou X is equal to 0. So for this, what you will get? Tell me this answer. Tell me what you will get. So this
Y
is
plus
very good. Y plus
2YZ
2YZ. Now we will get, sir. There is no X.
okay.
Y plus, correct. Next, what you will get? Here, what is become?
2Z, sir.
Very good. Tell me now. Y
Y
plus 2Z. Correct? Plus lambda into who will come?
YZ.
On F. Y just YZ is equal to 0. This you can take equation 1. Similarly, what you will do? Dou F by dou Y is equal to 0 implies dou F by dou Y plus lambda into dou Z by dou Y is equal to 0. That is equal to what? With respect to Y, if you do X, you will get, correct? Plus 2Z you will get, correct? Plus lambda into what you will get? With respect to Y, I am doing. Differentiate, sir, with respect to Y. What you will get?
Z, sir.
XZ.
XZ.
Exactly.
is equal to 0. This equation you can take second equation, correct? This you can keep, remember again, I will ask y plus 2z lambda into yz is equal to 0, x plus 2z into lambda into xz is equal to 0, second equation. Now come on. Next what you will do? Next what you will do?
Dou f by dou z, sir.
Dou f by capital dou f by dou z is equal to 0 implies this is what dou f by dou z plus lambda into dou z by dou z is equal to 0. This implies, with respect to z means what is my equation? Just see and tell me. 2y plus 2x.
2y, sir.
2y plus 2x plus lambda xy, correct? Come on, tell me what. Tell 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Tell me.
2y plus
2y
2x
plus 2x plus
2x
xy.
Plus lambda into
xy.
is equal to 0. This is third equation, correct? Now how we will solve? Three equations are in our hand. From this, how you will solve? Tell me. First equation multiply by x, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. Then 1 minus 2 do what you will get? Tell me. First equation multiply by x minus second equation multiply by y. First equation multiply by y much means what will get? What is first equation? Otherwise, directly also you can do what is there. First equation multiply by x, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. Then 1 minus 2 you can do what you will get. First equation multiply by x means what you are getting. You are not copying down actually. xy
plus 2xz
Sir,
plus lambda
2xz
xy
is equal to 2zy, sir.
lambda xyz, correct? Then subtract what you will get. 1 minus 2. Second equation multiply by y means what? xy minus 2zy plus lambda xyz, correct? Now tell me, first equation multiply by x means what you are getting? Tell me. Tell me.
xy.
Wait, I will write. xy
Plus 2zx
2zx
plus lambda xyz.
xyz, correct? Second equation.
Yes, sir.
Second equation.
xy
xy
plus 2zy
2zy
zy plus lambda xyz.
Subtract these two fellows, what you will get? This is minus. This is what? 2zx minus 2zy, correct?
Yes, sir.
All
X
are
is equal to y.
So from this what you get? 2zx minus 2zy is equal to 0. 2 cannot be 0, z cannot be 0, x minus y is equal to 0 implies what you got? X is equal to?
X equal to y.
Similarly, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z, subtract. At least tell me what you will get. Can you go next slide? Second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. Tell me, what is second equation? Second equation is what? xy plus 2zy lambda xyz. xy plus 2yz into lambda xy, second equation. Third equation multiply by z. Third equation if you multiply by z means what you will get? 2yz plus 2zx lambda into xyz. Now tell me what are the equations? Correct, sir? Can I go next slide? Copied.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Hello? Hello? யாரு ஈவினிங் வாங்க சார். நான் ஈவினிங் ஒரு 6:30 அப்புறம் தான் வீட்டில் இருப்பேன். இல்லை ஈவினிங் வருவாங்களா ஆக்சுவலி? ஞாயிற்று கூட ஈவினிங் தான் வந்து கொடுத்தாங்களே ஒரு 7:30. சார் அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்கள் ஈவினிங் மாதிரி. சார் ஈவினிங் அப்போ ஈவினிங்னு சொல்லுங்கள், எனக்கு வேணும் ஈவினிங் வேறு வந்து அவங்களும் அனுப்புங்க. இல்லையே சார், நார்மலாக ஈவினிங் வர. என்னது? அங்கே செக்யூரிட்டி யாருமே இல்லையா? அங்கே எடுக்க மாட்டாங்களே. பேர் என்ன கேட்டு கொடுங்க, சொல்லுங்க, ஒரு கேளுங்க. Sir, you can do second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply z, you can do.
Sir, answer x is equal to 2z, sir.
Wait. X is equal to 2z. Hello? ஹலோ பாயா இருக்குங்களா? யார் பேசுறங்க? ஹலோ. சரி விடுங்க சார், நாங்கள் ஈவினிங் போடுங்க. நீங்கள் இப்போ ரிட்டன் கொடுத்துட்டு ஈவினிங் போடுங்க. நீங்கள் நான் இல்லை அமேசானில் பேசுகிறேன், நான் ஃபோன் பண்ணி. ஈவினிங் தான் வருவாங்க, நான் ஈவினிங் தான் சொன்னேன் ஆக்சுவலி. நான் ஈவினிங் தான் வர சொன்னேன். நான் பேசுகிறேன், அமேசான் கஸ்டமர் கேருக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ணேன். நீங்கள் முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு வச்சுடுங்க, அதை நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் சொன்னதை அப்படியே சொல்கிறேன் நான். ஓகே.
Like we are getting h is equal to 2z.
Wait, I'm coming. So what are you doing? Second equation, at least we try to get equation. Second equation multiply by y minus third equation multiply by z. Second equation multiply by y means already available in your hand. What you are getting? xy plus 2yz. xy plus 2yz plus lambda into xyz is equal to 0. Third equation multiply by z means what you will get, sir? 2yz plus 2zx. 2yz plus 2zx plus lambda into xyz is equal to 0. If you subtract means what you will get? These two will cancel, this is cancel. Then what you will get? xy minus 2zx is equal to 0. Xx also cancel, so y is equal to 2z. But already what I got? X is equal to y. So from this what you understand? X is equal to y is equal to 2z. Are you agree? Yes or no? Now x is equal to y is equal to
Yes, sir.
2z. Now what I will do means what I want to find what are the values, but condition is what? What is our condition? What is our condition? Condition is what?
xyz is equal to 32.
xyz is equal to 32. Suppose if you write in terms of everything in terms of x means what? Xi will keep x, y also x, but z is equal to how you write in terms of x? Z is equal to what? How you write?
X
Very
by
good.
2, sir.
So x cube is equal to 64. X is equal to what, sir? 4. Correct? Huh? From this, what I will get? Y is equal to what? 4. Z is equal to what? What is Z? What is
2,
Z
sir.
value? Ah, don't tell
2,
me
sir.
exactly. 2.
2, sir.
Now, surface area is what? Substitute at least surface area. I want least surface area. The minimum value is xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. What is the value? Tell me. 4 into 4, 16 plus 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 2, 16.
48, sir.
All are 16, sir.
Yes, sir.
48. Correct? So this is the way of doing. So you
Yes,
should
sir.
find out who is F, who is the G, like this. Can you able to do? Any doubt? Read problem carefully. What is F? What is G? How to find out? Yes. Copy it, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
tell me.
Yes, sir.
Copied or not?
Yes, sir.
Copied, sir.
Yes, sir. Copy it, sir.
Okay. This board okay, yeah? Because this is first time for me also new. Otherwise, we go for actually camera only. 2-3 days we see. Okay, yeah. Next, what problem? This problem I can complete, I think so. Find the volume of a largest rectangular solid which can be inscribed in ellipsoid. Complete, do you know? Completed this problem. Yes or no? Sir, complete or not?
Yes, sir. Last
Yes, sir.
problem.
Okay. Then one problem I will do. Now you can try the same story. That is the ellipsoid we are done, same story. Okay. Show that next question. Show that rectangular solid of a maximum volume. Show that rectangular solid of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere, that can be inscribed in a sphere is cuboid. Cube. Now, actually, previous problem what we done, maximum volume of rectangular solid described is a ellipsoid we done. Now is what you can insert in sphere small what rectangulars. So maximum should be cuboid is telling. Same story you can take how you will take 2x, 2y, 2z. You can take finally what you will prove x is equal to y is equal to z. All lengths are equal means you can say cuboid. Correct or not? But your given condition is what? Condition is what? What is the condition? What is the condition? Are you there or not?
Rectangular solid of
Yes, sir.
maximum volume.
Maximum volume you should find
Cube,
out.
sir.
Is maximum. Maximum you can find. Volume is maximum. You can prove that. Maximum is what you are finding. Maximum volume. Condition is what?
Cubes.
Sphere.
Cube.
To be cube. Sphere is inscribed in a sphere, sir.
A sphere is condition. Sphere it won't change, but you should insert the small boxes. When its maximum volume comes means what? That should be cube is telling. You take one sphere in your hand, just in small box, increase. Finally, what you will reach, big maximum of that. If you reach means its meaning is what? That should be cuboid is telling. Cube is telling. Correct? Huh? Cube means what? All sides are equal. Last time is what? You inscribed a maximum volume of a rectangular solid means what? It's only rectangular you will get. Parallelepiped like this actually. And all sides are not equal. Here is what? In sphere, if you start inscribe, if you put the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4 like this small bags means what it's become. Finally, maximum volume should be what? Cuboid is telling. So now here F is what? Volume. Okay. How you will take? Lengths, how you will take? Sides, how you will take? Same story. Sides already explained. 2x, 2y, 2z. Okay. Yeah? Let the sides of rectangular. So what you will get? 2x, 2y, 2z. So volume is equal to what, sir? 8xyz. Correct? 1 minute. Hello. Okay. Now condition is what? This you can take as a f actually. I want to find function volume. Then g is what? G is equal to what you will get? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to radius r square. Any doubt? Now capital F is equal to what? Auxiliary function f plus lambda g. Sir, up here clear? This 2x, 2y, 2z also I explained because from center is origin is inside the center. From one side is plus x, one side is minus x means length should be 2x. Don't take x, y, z. The whole thing will be collapsed. That choosing the sides are very, very important. Inscribe this sphere, inscribe the ellipsoid means what carefully can take. Now f plus lambda g can prepare what you will get. What is f plus lambda g? Tell me. What is f, sir?
8x.
8x,
xy.
xyz.
8 xyz plus lambda into g is what? Who is g?
X square
x
plus
square
y
plus y
square
square
plus
plus z square
z
minus
square
r square.
minus
Minus
r square.
r square or a square. Sorry, okay. R square I told. Okay. Now multipliers what you will get? Dou f dou x is equal to 0 implies what you will get? Dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou g by dou x is equal to 0. Every time you should write this. So this is implies means what? Now we can do what will get?
8yz
Very good. 8yz plus,
plus lambda 2x.
very good, is equal to 0. Correct? Huh? Similarly, if you do dou f by dou y is equal to 0 implies what you will get? Dou f by dou y plus lambda into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. So implies what you will get? Tell me.
8xz
Very good.
8xz
Very good.
plus
plus
lambda 2y.
lambda 2y
Plus
is equal to 0.
lambda
2y.
Very good. 2y is equal to 0. This fellow is second equation. This fellow is first equation. Correct? Huh? Now keep in mind actually, copy down fast. You have to tell in what you want to do. You have to remove x, y, z like this. You can think actually. Correct? Huh? Copied. Shall I move, sir? Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Now, third equation is what? Tell me. Dou f by dou z is equal to 0 implies dou f plus dou z plus lambda into dou z by dou z is equal to 0 implies this what you will get. Dou f by dou z means what? 8y xy
XY.
plus lambda into 2z
2z.
is equal to 0. This is third equation. Then what you will do? First equation multiply by x. Then what will get? Tell me. 8xyz is equal to, sorry, eight xyz plus lambda into 2x square, sir,
2x. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is equal to 0. Next, second equation multiply by y means what you will get?
8xyz
8xyz.
plus lambda 2y square.
Then similarly, third equation multiply by
8xyz
xyz plus lambda. Now from this, how you will get lambda? Lot of ideas are there. Something, some people they will add this, then from lambda they will find, they will go back and add. For seeing this, any idea? This can you divide it by this? You can take 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda x square. 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda y square. If you divide one by another thing, this divided by this, can you do? That is the best idea. First they finding lambda, again headache actually. Now suddenly I got idea actually. This is sorry. Normally textbook they will give what? All you can add, then from first you can lambda is equal to some unknown you will get, then they will do. Not required. From seeing this nice idea. See, this divide this if you do means what? Nicely will get or not? Any idea? Sir, okay or not? Wait. What I'm telling you are not understanding. Correct? So 8xyz is equal to I got lambda 2x square. Correct? Similarly, second equation is what? 8xyz is equal to minus lambda 2y square. Divide 1 by this. This divide by this, what you will get? Is equal to lambda, lambda will cancel. 2 will cancel. X square by y square, this fully cancel or not? So from this, what you understand?
Yes, sir.
X square is
X
equal to
square is
y.
equal to 1.
Then from this, what you understand? X is equal to y or not?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Sir, we can do this like the previous sum also, sir.
Yes, yes. There is a lot of ways are there.
1 minus 2 equation we can do, sir.
Then also same thing you will get, I think so. Correct?
Yes, sir.
You will get x square minus y square is equal to 0, x square is equal to y square you will write. Correct? Yes.
Yes,
Both
sir.
are same. Correct. That's why different. If you think means what you will get new idea. Similarly, what you will get? Y is equal to z. From this, what you understand? X is equal to y is equal to z. Clear? So this is obviously cuboid. Each sides are equal. Now volume is equal to what? 8. No. Condition you can write. Sorry. What is our condition? What is our condition? x square plus y
X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square.
r square. I take an r whatever may be a. Now put everything x, what you will get? 3x square is equal to r square. Correct? Huh? Any doubt, sir? Y also I am substituting x square. Z also I am substituting x square. So 3x square is equal to r square. Now x is equal to what?
Yes, sir.
X is equal to what?
R by root 3.
Very good. X is equal to r by root 3. That is equal to y r naught. That is equal to z r naught. Y also r by root 3, z also r by root 3 and naught. So this is given solid is a cuboid. First cube proved. Then volume is what? Is it correct? One thing I forgotten. Who will
8, sir.
So 8 r cube and 3 root 3. This is the maximum volume. Is a cube. Proved. Okay, sir. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Oh. Wait, I will stop share. I think everyone present, I think so. Okay, yeah. One is absent, who is that? I don't know. 33 minutes. Shakti value, okay. What is your number, Shakti value? 160, yeah.
Ama sir.
Huh?
160 sir.
160, yeah. Okay, sir. You can meet, sir, all of you. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.
Thank you,
Right,
sir.
properly second you can
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now only joined is Melvin. Okay. Come on, go. Attend next class.
Attendance, sir.
Attendance, everyone up. Now only you joined, I seen Melvin.
No, sir.
No. Only one student only missed, you only joined. But you know, okay, you will get attendance. Go. Now who joined and asking attendance.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.